I'm going to show you how to remove the HDMI board out of this Yamaha receiver with model number RX-V673. We're going to start by removing some of the screws on the sides. We'll rotate the unit 90 degrees. We have 5 screws on the back side. And these are slightly different than the side screws, so we'll put them in a separate pile. We'll rotate another 90 degrees. And finally, we'll position it back so that the back is facing us. We're going to go ahead and pull these sides out and then lift a little bit. And then we can go ahead and remove the cover. Before we remove any other screws, we're gonna start removing some of our connectors and ribbons. For this one over here, we're just gonna go ahead and wiggle it out. Same with this ribbon over here. For these next few, we're gonna actually pinch the sides and lift the plastic clip up, and then we can go ahead and wiggle out our wire. We'll do the same with the next one. And so just to show you, these clips then do push back down and clip in a lock position, and you can lift them back up to unlock. Now this one just pulls right out. No locking mechanism, same with this one. This ribbon we can just also wiggle out gently. Moving over to the right, we have 2 more ribbons on the side, same thing, we'll gently wiggle out. Same with this connector. And this one's the last one with that latch mechanism, so we'll want to pull out that clip. I'll do it one more time. Push it in, wiggle out, and then we can go ahead and remove our wires. Now we have 2 screws on the top of the board. One here and here, and one on the side over here. Now these 3 silver screws are a little different than the rest, so again, we'll separate them out. And finally, we have our screws on the back. These are silver machine screws, so we'll keep these separated as well. And our last screw over here. Now our board is loose, except for these 3 connectors here. So what I like to do is put one hand on this board here as I am wiggling out our HDMI board. And here we are. If you're interested in finding out exactly how we fix these circuit boards, you can watch this video next. Otherwise, if you're interested in sending in this board for us to fix, we do offer flat rate services, which are available on our website. Those do come with a 1-year warranty. They'll be linked in the description down below. Otherwise, if you found the video helpful or useful, leave us a like, subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.